The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River until 10:45 p.m. At 9:12 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots over Omencoke, moving southeast at 5 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Miles River. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally, high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service and State College.
Lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.